Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and I am here to talk about our brand new release. We have got some fabulous new stamps here. I've got some samples to show you. I have so enjoyed creating these samples. As you can see, I've done quite a few and they work really well with all our other stamps as well, so a great mix and match. So I'm just going to take you through some of these samples now. We've got our lovely sunflowers here. I can't stop stamping these. They're just the detail in them is absolutely fantastic. Got some lovely hanging lanterns there. We've got teapots, which again works so nicely with our mini stamps, any foliage stamps. The teapot also comes with a fabulous lid. We've got more hanging lanterns. These are the houses. More sunflowers. We've got acorns. We've got acorn houses. Another teapot there, and you can see how well that sunflower works with the teapot. Acorns, sunflowers, more pods. Oh, we've got our little house, an acorn house. Now I'll be showing you how to create some of these over the next few days, so do keep your eyes peeled. The DT have done some amazing work with these as well, so you'll be able to check everything out in the gallery. Had so much fun playing with these, I really have. They're just good fun, aren't they? I think the herbalums actually would work really well with these as well. See, I'm already thinking of lots of different ideas. Anyway, I just wanted to show you these and I hope that you're as excited as what we are about this release. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care and see you soon.